Okay, so today we're going to talk about angles. Specifically, we're going to talk about complementary and supplementary angles. And then tomorrow we'll get into vertical angles. So complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees, which is called a right angle. So you can see here, this is a right angle. Typically, you'll see a little box in the corner to show you that it is a right angle. Now, over here, right next to it, all we have is a right angle that's been split into two pieces. It's still a right angle. We still have a 90-degree angle. The only thing that happened is it got cut up into one angle that measures 60 degrees and one unknown angle. But because we know that these two angles are complements, that they form a right angle, we know that if we take that 60-degree angle and that unknown angle, those two together give us a 90-degree angle. So in order to figure out what that unknown is worth, it's just a one-step equation, and we find that n is 30 degrees. And that makes sense because if we're saying n is 30, 60 plus 30 is 90. So complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. We'll take a couple examples together. I'll try the first one and then you can pause it and work through the second one. So again, I see a right angle, and this time it's cut into three pieces. And it doesn't matter how many pieces it's cut into, because I know that this 10-degree angle plus this unknown angle, which is 3n, plus this 20-degree angle, if I put all those pieces together, it's going to give me a 90-degree angle. That's what I have. I have a 90-degree angle that just got split up into three different pieces. So from here, I just have to solve. So I'll combine my like terms. 10 and 20 is positive 30. 3n is 3n. So I have 3n plus 30 equals 90. Take 30 away from each side. So I have 3n equals 60. Divide each side by 3, and I find out that n is equal to 60 divided by 3, which is 20. Now to check that, I can just plug it right back into my original angle. So I have a 10-degree angle, a 20-degree angle, and then 3n. Well, 3 times 20 is 60. So 10 plus 60 is 70, plus 20 is 90. So I know I'm all good there. You can go ahead and pause the tape and work through the second one, and then we'll go over it together. Okay, it says right angle. I can see the right angle. I can see that this forms a right angle right here. I can also see that I have a variable, an unknown in here. But I do know that if I take that 10-degree angle plus this angle, which is 2x plus 25, if I add those two together, it gives me that 90-degree or right angle. So same idea, I'm going to combine my like terms. 2x plus 35 equals 90. And I know you've been seeing all year, but how important it is to be able to do anything algebraically, because no matter what kind of content area, whether it's geometry, probability, everything uses some sort of algebra to actually get to the solving here. So that's going to be 55, and then we're going to divide each side by 2. So 55 divided by 2 is not going to give me an even number. It's going to give me 27.5. So n is 27.5.